How to find division number Manulife. To find your division number for Manulife, follow this step-by-step guide. This process will help you gather the necessary information and contact the appropriate department if needed. Step-by-step guide to find your division number. Determine how you are connected to Manulife. This could be through group benefits, affinity insurance, group retirement, or VIP room. Check any documentation you have from Manulife, such as your benefits card, which may display your member certificate number or group number. Go to the Manulife support page specific to your connection type. For group benefits, visit the Group Benefits Support section. For affinity insurance, check the Affinity Insurance Support section. For group retirement or VIP room, navigate to the Group Retirement Support section. If you have access to the Manulife online portal, sign into your account. Navigate to the Profile or Account settings, where you might find your division number listed. If you cannot find your division number through the above methods, contact Manulife customer service directly. Group benefits customers, call 1-800-268-6195. Affinity insurance customers, call 1-800-268-3763. By following these steps, you should be able to locate your Manulife division number easily. If you need further assistance, contacting Manulife's support team is the best option. I hope this will help. Thanks for watching.